This is a marble repair kit. This works not only for marble, it works for most stones if you have granite, marble, or even quartz. And if you have cracks or chips in your countertops or any quartz material, this repair kit would work great. In this kit, you get the actual product. You have a mixing spatula, as well as an applicator that you would use to actually apply your product to your stone or granite or quartz. It comes with a couple of gloves, some sanding paper, as well as tape if you need to hold things together. This is very simple to mix and use. It comes with this applicator that you would just insert into the back of this, product. As you push it out, it will dispense the proper amount of both solutions. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, but as you push it out, the correct amount will dispense. All you have to do is mix it thoroughly and apply. You do have to make sure that the area that you are repairing is clean and dry, and then you would apply the solution within about 20 minutes of mixing it. I found that it's very simple to apply. The consistency is similar to like a toothpaste consistency. So you would just use the spatula that's provided to apply it and flatten it out. And then you just let it dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you just use the sanding pad that is provided to sand down your repair area and make it all seamless and flat. I love that this kit comes with so much product. You really do only need the smallest amount for your repairs. So if you have any other chips that come up in the future, this is easy to use. It stores well. You just can seal it once you use it and put it away for later use. Overall, this is a great product. I feel like it works really well and improves the look of any cracks and chips that you might have. So give this a try.